Okay, we're going to do this really cute little curl paisley design in the narrow border of the freestyle version of our quilt. I'm going to do that same 1/4 of an inch echo on either side that I did with the modern and both the traditional inner borders. This particular little curl design, it's a curl with a little purl, and then you flip it. So one goes one way, one goes the other. It looks really good at about 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide. And so that's why I want to change it out. So I'll do it in stitch regulated mode, just a couple of them, just so I can go super slow and I can show you how they're done. And then we'll take the regulator off and we'll get them done. All right? Okay, here we go. So we're going to curl, come back, purl. There's my little feather. Next one is going to go the other way. So I'm going to come up, curl, back to about here, purl, and then the next one's going to go the other way. Curl, purl, curl the other way. Curl, purl, and then this way. Curl, purl, and the other way. Okay? That's all there is to it. Don't worry about the corners. They will work themselves out, I promise. Here we go. Curl, purl, curl, purl, and just keep going. Curl it in, curl, curl it in, curl, curl it in, and this one fits into here. There we go. I'm going to just walk my stitches down here just a little bit to lock them in. There we are. Doesn't that look fantastic? Here, move this down a bit. There we go. I love it. That looks great.